What's up guys, and it's time to get ready. Samsung has finalized the design and appearance and configuration for the Galaxy S11. The biggest Samsung leakster Exynos reveals that Samsung has finally determined the design for the S11 as well as its configuration, which could mean things like camera and internals. There will be 3 models. It's been confirmed through software leak. We're going to talk about that later. Now, since Samsung has finalized the design and configuration, we could very well see a factory CAD design leak for the S11 family via on leaks really soon. As for the design which they have chosen, it's most likely going to be a punch hole design towards the middle, similar to the Note 10 family, but even smaller in size and also having a overall thinner bezels compared to the S10 family. The display is set to get larger as well, with a new aspect ratio size of 20:9. So the screen will be large, but the actual size of the phones will probably be around the same size as the Galaxy S10 family. But because of the big camera upgrades that we're going to see, possibly a 5x optical zoom, the S11 and S11 Plus could be thicker than the last year's phone. Apart from the design, what you have to keep in mind is that camera is going to be the biggest upgrade on the Galaxy S11 family. Brand new sensor, a 108 megapixel resolution size, 5x optical zoom, a possible spectrometer. So many things are in the works. We'll see. Super duper excited. Now on to the Galaxy S11 family details and secrets in the One UI beta code, which was found by Max Winback on Twitter. He revealed the model numbers for the S11 family. It's confirmed we have S11e, S11, and S11 Plus. According to his findings, these all 3 models could be 5G. Furthermore, he found out the Exynos 9830 existence in the One UI beta code. The Exynos 9830 could be called as Exynos 990. We talked about its features. It's been officially announced. In addition to that, he also confirmed the existence of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 in the code, which means that there will be 2 variants of the S11 family as always. So Samsung will be using 865 for US and China markets. Samsung is also working on UX Picasso, which is the software for the Galaxy S11 family. So we could see some brand new changes in the software as well. And Samsung is also working on the facial recognition as seen in these codes. Most likely there will be no 3D facial scanner since we have the punch hole design. Instead, Samsung will still opt for the 3D in-display fingerprint scanner, which is said to be even larger in size compared to the last year's model. Other than the S11, there has been some founding regarding the R5 code name. It's said to be the Galaxy S10 Lite. It's going to use the same punch hole design as the Galaxy S10e. In case you guys don't know, Samsung is working on the cheaper version of the Note as well as the Galaxy S10 family, so we could see that in the future as well. Also, Samsung's partnership with AMD is going strong. We're most likely going to see the first AMD-powered Galaxy flagship phone in 2021. Now, speaking of the software, Samsung has revealed some new features in the One UI 2.0 beta version 2nd. So, first feature is similar to the iPhone 11, which is the introduction of slow feeds, meaning now you can record slow motion front camera videos on your S10, S10 Plus, S10e, and the Note 10 family. As reported by SamMobile.com, you can see it looks very decent. It's pretty amazing that they enabled this via software. And what's even exciting is the Chinese version of the One UI 2.0 beta. Apparently, Samsung has added a 30 seconds long exposure mode along with ISO now up to 3200. All this is present in the Pro mode, and I think this is Samsung's try on competing with the Google's astrophotography and Apple's night mode. So I can't wait to try this out with a tripod. In other news, Samsung's upcoming 2020 mid-range phones could rock RAM size up to 10GB. The 2019 Samsung mid-range phones were some of the best Samsung mid-range phones, and next year Samsung is bringing even more improvements in order to compete with the likes of Xiaomi and Oppo and Vivo. Their 64 megapixel camera sensor is actually really dope, which I checked out in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. It will most likely be featured in 2020 Samsung mid-range phones next year. Also, you might have seen this video of a case with a human skin. It's all over the social media. In my opinion, it looks gross, but Samsung seems to be inspired by this idea. There's a new Samsung patent that shows a case with human ears. Yes, as weird as it looks and sounds, Samsung has imagined actual ears on the each side of this case. Apparently, the ears will have 3.5mm headphone jack support, and since they are such big ears, you can like grab them while playing games. This whole patent just looks so funny and weird to me, but Yeah, I mean, something like this could happen. I'm sure someone out there would love to have this masterpiece. Let me know your thoughts about something like this coming to the market from Samsung. And that's about it for all the news. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.